Alright, looking at examples on how to factor polynomials. So let's look at this one here. Okay, so we have an x minus 3 and we have an x minus 3 over here, but we're always going to pull the one out that has the smallest exponent. Okay, what's the largest number that goes into both 10 and goes into 4? And I'm thinking 2. Alright, so we're going to be able to pull a 2 out also. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Pull this 2 out, and we're pulling out an x minus 3. Remember, we choose the one with the smallest exponent. And so if I pulled a 2 out of 10, we are left with 5x minus pulling a 2 out over here. And because we pulled, whoa, okay, I have to go back and erase that. We're going to be left with an x minus 3 here because we pulled out 2 of them, but we're still going to be left with 1. And you can always check this by taking this and distributing it back inside and getting back exactly what we started with. But we can actually simplify this down a little bit, and we're going to always want to do that. So this becomes 5x minus, distribute this negative across, plus 3. And so we're going to have 2 times x minus 3, quantity squared, and no, that's not a 5x. So 5x minus x is going to end up being a 4x plus 3. Okay, let's look at another one. Let's say that we have, I don't know, we'll go back to some of those earlier ones. We was working a 3x cubed times a y cubed minus 15x to the 5th and y cubed plus 9x to the 4th, giving you a little time to write this down if that's what you're doing. And then we have y to the 5th. So we go down through here. 3 goes into 15, and 3 also goes into 9. So we're going to pull out a 3. We have an x cubed, we have an x to the 5th, we have an x to the 4th, so we'll be able to pull out an x. We always choose the one with the smallest exponent. We have a y, and a y. We're going to pull the one out with the smallest exponent, and that would be y to the 3rd. Okay, so we're going to pull a 3 out, an x cubed out, and a y to the 3rd. So that means we pretty much pulled everything out right there, so we're just left with a 1. Minus 3 goes into 15 5 times. Okay, we pulled 3 x's out. There's 5 here, so we're going to have how many left? 2. And we pulled out a y to the 3rd, so we don't have to rewrite that. 3 goes into 9 3 times, and we pulled out 3 x's. We're going to be left with just an x. We pulled out 3 y's, so we're going to be left with just 2 y's there. And that's as far as we're going to go on that. Okay, so you should be getting the hang of it by now. Alright, so let's work on another one here. What if we had 3x squared, x plus y squared plus 12x times x plus y. So try stopping the video and try working this one out on your own and see what you get.